Hello! Notice that I have created all 16 records in my table. Now I'm ready to query my table for suspect 1 based on the clues. So first, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Create tab at the top. Then I'm going to click on Query Design. It's going to come up with a dialog box that says Show Table. It has one table listed, the suspect list, so I'm going to click Add and then close that dialog box. Next, I need to add each field to my query down here. So I can use the drop-down arrow to add ID, and then in the next one, name, gender, date of birth, salary, hair, eyes, height, build, and then for this last one, I'm going to show you a neat trick. You can actually go up to your suspect list and you can actually drag these over too. So I'm going to drag glasses over to the very last one. All right, next we need to go ahead and put some criteria in here. So the criteria is right here, and I'm going to go to each field that I need to add some criteria to. So the first one I'm going to add is that I know from my clues that this is a female. Remember when we put in the table, we put F or M, F for female, M for male. We need to use that same text when we're querying. So for gender, I'm going to go equals, because you always want to put an equal sign for any of your fields that were text. So I'm going to put equals, and in quotation, I'm going to put capital F for female, because that's what's exactly in my table. And then I know that my suspect wears glasses, so I'm going to go over to the criteria for glasses. And now for this one, since it's just a yes or no, I do not need an equal, so I'm just going to type yes there. I also know that the suspect has brown hair, so I'm going to put equals and then in quotation marks brown. And I know that my suspect is short, so height I'm going to put equals short. And then I know that my suspect has green eyes, so I'm going to put equals and in quotation marks I'm going to put green. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to run my query. So if I were to run my query, I can go up to this Run button up in the Results group. And who is our thief? Yes, you got it. It's Sherry Wine. So if you ran this query with me and you got Sherry Wine, you have all of your information entered correctly. Now, if you're not getting anybody listed, or maybe you're getting a couple people listed, that's because there's something wrong with when you entered your data. So just go back and check it and then run the query again.